The reverse stockinette I-cord bind-off leaves a beautiful finish, especially for garter stitch. I'm going to show you how to do it with a larger double-pointed needle than your working needle. First, cast on 3 stitches using the knitted cast on. And this is for a 3-stitch bind-off, but you can make a 2-stitch or 4 or 5-stitch bind-off as well. Bring your working yarn around underneath the working needle, and then with your double-pointed needle, purl 2 stitches. Next, you'll be purling 2 together, and that's 1 stitch from the I-cord and 1 stitch from the body of your project. The yarn to back, and then slip those 3 stitches back onto your left needle and start over again. You'll be purling 2 and then purling 2 together, yarn to the back, and then slipping those 3 stitches back to your left needle again, all the way until you are at the end and you've finished all of the body stitches. This is English style. I just showed you continental. Always make sure when you're starting to purl that your yarn has come under both needles, so not over the top of those working needles, but under and around. You don't want to be creating yarn overs. So purl 2 and then purl 2 together. Now put that yarn to the back between your needles and slip those 3 stitches back onto your left needle. I'm showing this with a larger double-pointed needle than the working needle is, and that's what you would use for a shawl or something that needs to be blocked out and stretched a lot. However, if you are binding off something with a tighter gauge, you may not have to go up needle sizes at all. At first, when you do this bind off, it's going to look a little bit sloppy, but as you go along, just stretch it out and you'll see that it creates a really nice edge. Once it's blocked out, you'll see what a beautiful edge it creates. It's thicker than most bind-offs and gives your edge some nice weight and a beautiful drape.